Alrighty, so here we got July's Petrol Box. Let's get it open and see what we got. Alright. I don't know why, every time I open a box, doesn't matter what box it is, it's just... And I always want to put it here. I just don't want this in the camera, so... Chuck it to the side. Other side. Alright. So as always, Petrol's box always has a descriptive thing of what they put in there. Like I said, I'll read this after I go through everything and I'll tell you what they want us to know about the item. But first off, got some socks, heel thread, or here tread. I don't know where I got a thread from. Pretty cool. Can't go wrong with having some socks. Got some quick Montan? Quick Montan spray wax from 3D. Clay bar. Pretty good, pretty good. So add your card to the largest online filming gallery, Fitment Industries. So I'm guessing they're partnering up with them. Got those. Got another air freshener. Sucks to know that I don't know what these smell like until I open it, so these are always a mystery. I can only take a guess by the color, but the color can be wrong, you know. And then last, we got the shirt. Oh, it is. They did partner up with Fitment Industries. Okay, that's cool. Oh, well, this is gonna be my second Fitment. No, actually not second. Third Fitment Industry shirt. I got one, and I ordered my bags. My airbags for my car. I got a lowered airbag shirt, and then I forgot where I got the other one, but this is now gonna be my third one. Oh, dope! Oh, snap! All right, cool. So front, pretty clean and simple. Fitment Industries with a little fuel lever, and then on the back, oh yeah, now that's dope. We got Fitment Industries. Okay. Pretty much what they tell you. Wheels, tires, suspension. Hit up Fitment Industries. That's literally everything in every video that they say. Because that's exactly what they're made, what they do, what they sell. And guess what? If you can get some good quality from them. So some people don't like them, but I do. And I recommend y'all check them out. Alright, so it looks like Petrol Box partnered up with Fitment Industries for this box. And like I said, this is July's box. So I'm going to read you guys the description. Fitment Industries is the golden standard when it comes to online wheel markets. Their gallery and systems will show you the perfect offset width for you to have your desired stance. So yeah, like I said, definitely check them out. If you guys need any wheels, tires, suspension, that's literally what their brand is and what they do. They'll hook you guys up. If you guys have any questions, you could always contact them, and their service is pretty good. So I suggest you guys check them out if you guys are looking for anything like that. Up next, we do have the Heel Tread socks. Or I keep saying tread or tread, whatever. Heel Tread socks, and these are a unique brand of socks that draws its inspiration from one of the man's greatest passions. Designed and produced in Portugal, we use seamless toe knitting, create socks without any stitches. Alright, so that pretty much tells you what they're made out of, but not too bad. Not too thin. I like them. And let's see, does it tell me what the air freshener is this time? Oh yeah. Alright, so this is a lavender air freshener. So at least I know what the smell is. And this is the monthly livery sticker. Just a regular sticker. Fitment Industries. Just a card telling them about you, or telling them about themselves. Play bar, and then the wax. So overall, I think my favorite item is definitely the shirt. Shirt's pretty dope design, so that's up there with this box. So this is a good design for me. And yeah, thanks for watching, y'all.